The deepest place of Pakistan is Arabian Sea, Kanjar Lake, Mediterranean Trench, none of them. Correct option is Arabian Sea. The second largest salt mine of the world is Varcha mine, Khewda mine, Kalabag mine, none of them. Correct option is Khewda mine. Name the largest city of AG&K, Azad Jammu Kashmir. Mirpur Bagh, Muzaffarabad, Kotli. Correct option is Muzaffarabad. Soon Valley is situated in district Sargodha, Khushab, DG Khan, Chakwal. Correct option is Khushab. The largest peak of the world is Rakaposhi Naga Parbat, Tuchmir, K2. Correct option is K2. Dadu is a district of Dash province, KPK, Gilgit-Baltistan, Sindh, Punjab. Correct option is Sindh. Manoda is famous for fresh water, naval base, hot water, fresh water. Correct option is naval base. Border between Pakistan and Afghanistan is called Durand Line, MK Mohan Line, Radcliffe Line, Line of Control. Correct option is Durand Line. The longest mountain range of Sindh is Himalaya, Hindu Kush, Karakoram, Kirthar Range. Correct option is Kirthar Range. Gwadar is a seaport of KPK, Sindh, Balochistan, Indian Gujarat. Correct option is Balochistan. Gomal Pass connects Pakistan and Kashmir, China, Iran and Afghanistan. Correct option is Afghanistan. Kot Mithan city is situated on the bank of river Chenab, Gomal, Indus, none of them. Correct option is Indus. Number Lake is situated in district Khushab, Mianwali, DG Khan, D.I. Khan, Dr. Ismail Khan. Correct option is Mianwali. Identify the highest civil award of Pakistan. Nishan-e-Haidar, Nishan-e-Pakistan, Tamgai Bassalat, none of them. Correct option is Nishan-e-Pakistan. Sost is a dry port of Sindh, Gilgit-Baltistan, KPK, none of them. Correct option is Gilgit-Baltistan. Lake Saif al-Muluk is situated in Sindh, Balochistan, KPK, Punjab. Correct option is KPK. Bin Qasim is a seaport of America, Sri Lanka, China, Pakistan. Correct option is Pakistan. Which of the following lake is located in district DG Khan? Kanjar Lake, Uchli Lake, Fort Minru Lake, none of them. Correct option is Fort Minru Lake. Our national language is Urdu, English, Punjabi, Persian. Correct option is Urdu. Famous Pakistani island is Manoda, Pasni, Makran, none of them. Correct option is Manoda. Which of the following area is famous for cherry? KPK, AG&K, Punjab, Gilgit-Baltistan. Correct option is Gilgit-Baltistan. The largest graveyard of the world is located in Japan, India, Russia, Pakistan. Correct option is Pakistan. Who was the first Prime Minister of Industries of Pakistan? Malik Ghulam Muhammad, Chaudhry Nazir Ahmad, Jogandar Nath Mandal, none of them. Correct option is Chaudhry Nazir Ahmad. The longest railway platform of Pakistan is located in Rohri, Lahore, Khanewal, Karachi. Correct option is Rohri. The biggest railway station of Pakistan is located in Rohri, Lahore, Khanewal, Karachi. Correct option is Lahore. ये कौन सा है? रेलवे लॉन्गेस्ट रेलवे ऑफ पाकिस्तान कौन सा है? रोहरी में लोकेटेड है. और बिगेस्ट रेलवे स्टेशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज लोकेटेड इन लाहौर. द बिगेस्ट रेलवे जंक्शन ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज लोकेटेड इन रोहरी, लाहौर, खानेवाल, कराची. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज खानेवाल. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज खानेवाल. नेक्स्ट है हु इज कायदे मिलत? जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो, मोहतरमा फ़ातिमा जना, ज़ियाउल हक, लियाकत अली ख़ान. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ लियाकत अली ख़ान. MEPCO stands for मर्दान इलेक्ट्रिक पावर कंपनी, मुल्तान इलेक्ट्रिक पावर कंपनी, मुल्तान इलेक्ट्रिक पावर कंपनी. नन ऑफ देम. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ मुल्तान इलेक्ट्रिक पावर कंपनी. Which is the biggest desert of Pakistan? Thal, Cholistan, Thar, none of them. Correct option is Cholistan. What is the biggest mountain pass in Pakistan? Alpine, Gomal, Khyber, Khanjrab. Correct option is Khanjrab. Which is the second largest salt mine of Pakistan? Warcha, Khushab, Kalabag, Jabbi mine, none of them. Correct option is Warcha, Khushab में है. What is the largest city of Sindh? Dadu, Hyderabad, Deccan, Bin Qasim, none of them. Correct option is none of them. Anarkali is a famous bazaar of Karachi, Lahore, Quetta, Mardan. Correct option is Lahore. Zebun Nisa Street is located in Karachi, Lahore, Quetta, Mardan. Correct option is Karachi. Identify the first chief election commissioner of Pakistan. Mr. F.M. Khan, Mr. Justice Irshad Hassan Khan, Mr. N.A. Farooqi, Sardar Fakhir Alam. Correct option is Mr. F.M. Khan. Who was the first chairman of Islamic Ideology Council? Allama Munir Ahmad Siddiqui, Allama Muhammad Khan Shirani, Justice Hamood Rahman, Justice Abid Saleh Muhammad Akram. Correct option is Justice Abid Saleh Muhammad Akram. Next, the desert is located in Balochistan, Punjab, Sindh. Third desert is located in Balochistan, Punjab, Sindh, KPK. Correct option is Sindh. Identify the longitude of Sindh province. 25.28 degree to 29.31 degree north, 27.28 degree to 28.33 degree north, 26.29 degree to 27.32 degree north, 23.23 degree to 28.30 degree north. Correct option is 23.23 degree to 28.30 degree north. Identify the longitude of Punjab province. 27.42 degree to 34.02 degree and mean north. 28.43 degree to 34.05 degree north. 29.45 degree to 36.06 degree north. 30.35 degree to 36.05 degree north. Correct option is 27.42 degree to 34.02 degree north. The largest industrial city of Pakistan is Multan, Karachi, Islamabad, Gujranwala. Correct option is Karachi. Nanga Parbat is situated in Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Himalaya, none of them. Correct option is Himalaya. The largest river of Balochistan is Bolan, Mirani, Nari, Hangol. Correct option is Hangol. What is the significance of Naran? Lake Saiful Maluk, Raka Poshi, cherry fruit, none of them. Correct option is Lake Saiful Maluk. Omara Court is situated in Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, KPK. Correct option is Sindh. Mangla Dam lies between Kashmir and Punjab, Punjab and KPK, KPK and Balochistan, none of them. Correct option is Kashmir and Punjab. Oldest city of Pakistan is Multan, Karachi, Peshawar, Mehergarh. Correct option is Multan. The world's second largest Muslim country is Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, none of them. Correct option is Pakistan. The Kashmir is divided between Pakistan and India, China and India, Sri Lanka and China, Pakistan and Iran. Correct option is Pakistan and India. The distance of a place south or north of equator is called longitude, latitude, aptitude, none of them. Correct option is longitude. Mohammedan Educational was established on 27 December 1886. किसने कायम किया था? सर सैयद अहमद खान, हसरत मोहानी, मौलाना जफ़र अली खान, नन ऑफ देम. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सर सैयद अहमद खान. इंडस रिवर फ्लोज इन पाकिस्तान, ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर, China, all of them. Correct option is all of them. The world's highest mountain range is Hindu Kush, Himalaya, Sahara, none of them. Correct option is Himalaya. Local Self-Government Act was launched by British government in 1884, 1882, 1886, 1880. Correct option is 1882. Who was the leader of Shimla delegation of Indian Muslims in 1905? Sir Aga Khan, Muhammad Ali Johar, Nawab Salimullah Khan, none of them. Correct option is Sir Aga Khan. The length of the Karakoram Highway of Pakistan is 755 kilometers, 706 kilometers, 749 kilometers, 806 kilometers. Correct option is 806 kilometers. Which of the following city was the center of Gandhara civilization? Kabul, Lahore, Taxila, Thatta. Correct option is Taxila. Makli graveyard is situated near Kabul, Lahore, Taxila, Thatta. Correct option is Thatta. On which river Solomanki and Panjnad Barrage are situated? Chenab, Jhelum, Satluj, Ravi. Correct option is Satluj. Which of the following province consists of 9 divisions? Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, KPK. Correct option is Punjab. Next है Jinnah Biraj is located in district Mianwali, Sargodha, Khushab, Bahawalpur. Correct option is Mianwali. PCB stand for Pakistan Cycling Board, Pakistan Cricket Board, Punjab Cricket Board. None of them. Correct option is Pakistan Cricket Board. War of Independence of India started in 1855, 1856, 1857, 1859. Correct option is 1857. The Hina Lake is situated in Balochistan, KPK, Punjab, Sindh. Correct option is Balochistan. Punjab is dash of the total land mass of Pakistan: 25.8%, 23.9%, 24.2%, 21.5%. Correct option is 25.8%. Sindh is dash of the total land mass of Pakistan: 17.3%, 18.9%, 15.9%, 17.7%. Correct option is 17.77%. KPK is dash of the total land mass of Pakistan: 7.2%, 8.6%, 9.4%, 9.9%. Correct option is 9.4%. Balochistan is dash of the total land mass of Pakistan: 42.7%, 43.6%, 41.1%, 44.3%. Correct option is 43.6%. Islamabad is dash of the total land mass of Pakistan: 0.1%, 0.3%, 0.8%, 0.5%. Correct option is 0.1%. FATA is dash of the total land mass of Pakistan: 3.9%, 3.1%, 4.2%, 3.4%. Correct option is 3.4%. The Shandar Pass, which is at the height of 12,205 feet, connects Fata and Gilgit, Kagan and Chitral and Gilgit, Naran and Gilgit. Correct option is Chitral and Gilgit. The area lying between Bias and the Ravi is called Sandal Doba, Bari Doba, Chaj Doba, Inj Doba. Correct option is Bari Doba. Bias और रावी के दरमियान जो एरिया लाइक है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? बारी दोबा. Which part of Punjab is famous for Shisham forest? Changa Manga, Sargodha, Laya. None of them. Correct option is Laya. Which of the following area of Balochistan is famous for natural gas? Bakhar, Karachi, Quetta, Sui. Correct option is Sui. The headquarter of FIA is located in Karachi, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, Multan. Correct option is Islamabad. The archaeological site Hiran Minar is located near the city of Karachi, Sheikhpura, Sakhar, Khairpur. Correct option is Sheikhpura. Margala Hills are foothills of Himalayas range, Karakoram range, Hindu Kush range. None of them. Correct option is Himalaya range. Next is the most precious gemstone, emerald, is found in Gilgit, Chitral, Swat, Mari. Correct option is Swat. The most populated district of Punjab is Faisalabad, Lahore, Gujranwala, Bahawalnagar. Correct option is Lahore. The current constitution of Pakistan was enforced in 1973, 1957, 1972, 1971. Correct option is 1973. Major crop of Pakistan is tobacco, barley, maize, wheat. Correct option is wheat. Sialkot is famous for cotton industry, food industry, sport industry. None of them. Correct option is sport industry. The length of the river Indus is 24 km, 2896 km, 2300 km, 2200 km. Correct option is 2896 km. Abasine is another name of river Indus, river Dhaka, river Farid, river Ganga. Correct option is river Indus. The longest river of the Pakistan is Ganga, Indus, Satluj, the Brahmaputra. Correct option is Indus. The length of railway line in Pakistan is 7696 km, 7999 km, 7791 km, 7875 km. Correct option is 7791 km. The length of river Chenab is 1242 km, 2947 km, 2931 km, 3000 km. Correct option is 1242 km is the length of river Chenab. In which year Pakistan won Asian Games Hockey Championship for the last time? 1998 to 2000. 2006, 2010. Correct option is 2010. The oldest barrage on the Indus River is Kotri Chashma Sakhar Janah. Correct option is Sakhar. Identify the height of Broad Peak. 8,060 meter, 8,060 mile, 8,097 miles, 8,195 miles, 8,309 miles. Correct option is 8,060 miles. Which district of Pakistan has no desert? Sargodha, Bakhar, Umara Kot, Rahim Jar Khan. Correct option is Sargodha. Identify the brother of Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Maulana Shaukat Ali. None of them. Correct option is Maulana Shaukat Ali. Maize, rice and wheat are generally referred as cash crops, cereal crops. A and B, none of them. Correct option is cereal crops. Wheat, rice, maize are referred as cereal crops. The largest latitude circle on the earth is the equator, the longitude, the latitude, none of them. Correct option is the latitude. Identify the radio station of Pakistan located at the highest altitude. Quetta radio station, Gilgit Baltistan radio station, Muzaffarabad radio station, none of them. Correct option is Gilgit radio station. Largest tea producer district of Pakistan is Mardan, Swat, Mansehra, Abbottabad. Correct option is Mansehra. Identify the largest division of Pakistan. Punjab, Multan, Lahore, Faisalabad, Bahawalpur. Correct option is Bahawalpur. Kala Dhaka is a district of division. Hazara, Kohat, Peshawar, Malakot. Correct option is Hazara. Next time, Pakistan Military Academy is located in Hassan Abdul Kakul, Mari, Kohat. Correct option is Kakul. What is meant by equinox? Equal duration of day and night, half duration of day, half duration of night, none of them. Correct option is equal duration of day and night. The distance of longitude represents how many times difference in times. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 7 minutes, 4 minutes. Correct option is 4 minutes. Zardak is the highest peak of Sulman Range, Himalaya Range, Kirthar Range, Karakoram Range. Correct option is Kirthar Range. Major Shabir Sharif was martyred in which Pak Indo-War? 1965, 1971, 1981. None of them. Correct option is 1971. Mirani Dam is located in Balochistan, KPK, Sindh, Punjab. Correct option is Balochistan. The biggest open university with most student enrollment of the world is Dhaka Open University, Dhaka. Bangalore Open University, Bangalore. Indira Gandhi Open University, Delhi. Allama Iqbal Open University, Islamabad. Correct option is Allama Iqbal Open University, Islamabad. The biggest air base of Pakistan is located in Karachi, Islamabad, Sargodha, Lahore. Sargodha. The biggest natural gas producing area of Pakistan is Hyderabad, Kalat, Sui, none of them. Correct option is Sui. Who was the first governor of West Pakistan? Sir Firoz Khanun, Mian Mushtaq Ahmad Gurmani, Justice Shahabuddin Yusuf Harun. Correct option is Mian Mushtaq Ahmad Gurmani. Chiniot is situated at the bank of Chenab, Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum. Correct option is Chenab. Menoda is the largest island of UAE, India, China, Pakistan. Correct option is Pakistan. In which of the following is the first dry port of Pakistan located? Multan, Peshawar, Lahore, Faisalabad. Correct option is Lahore. Which is the shortest day of the year? 22nd March, 22nd January, 22nd October, 22nd December. Correct option is 22nd December. Kala deer is found in which area of Pakistan? Cholistan, Thal, Thar, Chitral. Correct option is Cholistan. Identify the height of the Minar-e Pakistan. 150.7 feet, 196.5 feet, 205.7 feet, 215.9 feet. Correct option is 196.5 feet. Who wrote the national anthem of Pakistan? Faiz Ahmad Faiz, Sagar Siddiqui, Hafiz Jalandhari, none of them. Correct option is Hafiz Jalandhari. Which of the following houses the largest hydroelectric power station of Pakistan? Mirani, Ghazi, Mangla, Tarbela. Correct option is Tarbela. Kaisur is a city of Bulle Shah, Shah Hussain, Baba Farid, none of them. Correct option is Bulle Shah. Pinpoint the main objective of World Trade Organization WTO to promote Western trade, to eliminate quota system and promote free competition in trade, to promote mutual trade. None of them. Correct option is to eliminate quota system and promote free competition in trade. Next, the largest university of Punjab is Islamia University Bahawalpur, Bahauddin Zakriya University Multan, Sargodha Punjab University Lahore. Correct option is Punjab University Lahore. Next, the biggest market of Pakistan's imports and export is Italy, England, USA, Australia. Correct option is USA. Pakistan's domestic demand for petroleum products is growing manually at a rate of 5%, 10%, 7%, 8%. Correct option is 5%. Who was the first chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee of Pakistan? General Muhammad Iqbal, General Muhammad Sharif, General Muhammad Nasir, General Muhammad Bashir. Correct option is General Muhammad Sharif. Who was the founder of the slave empire of Muslim India? Mahmud Ghazvini, Shahabuddin Ghauri, Qutbuddin Aibak. None of them. Correct option is Qutbuddin Aibak. Rohtas fort was built by Sher Shah Suri, Jalaluddin Muhammad, Akbar, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan. Correct option is Sher Shah Suri. Who was the founder of the Khaksar movement? Who was the founder of the Khaksar movement? Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Allama Anayatullah Mashriqi. None of them. Correct option is Allama Anayatullah Mashriqi. Next, who was the founder of Jamia Millia Delhi? Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Allama Anayatullah Mashriqi. None of them. Correct option is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Next, in which of the city the 12th SAR conference was held? Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore. None of them. Correct option is Islamabad. In which of the following date Muhammad Khan Junijo's government was dissolved? 29th June 1988, 29th May 1988, 29th July 1988, 29th August 1988. Correct option is 29th May 1988. Tax on a commodity according to its volume is barter trade, transfer of money, ad valorem tax. None of them. Correct option is ad valorem tax. Who is the first tax Muhatsab of Pakistan? Justice Hamid Sheikh, Justice Munir Sheikh, Justice Rahmat Jafri, Justice Salim Akhtar. Correct option is Justice Salim Akhtar. When no tariffs are imposed on export and import, it is called free trade, volume of trade, barter trade. None of them. Correct option is free trade. Agreement between two countries is called mutual agreement, bilateral agreement, obligatory element. None of them. Correct option is bilateral agreement. Family planning program in Pakistan was started in 1950, 1954, 1952, 1956. Correct option is 1952. What percentage of population of Pakistan is under the age of 15? 39%, 42%, 35%, 45%. Correct option is 45%. A free port is a port where there are no duties and taxes, no duties and no liabilities, no duties and no restriction. None of them. Correct option is no duties and no restriction. In which of the following year Pakistan became the member of Non-Aligned Movement NAM? 1978, 1979, 1980, 1981. Correct option is 1979. Financial year of Pakistan starts from 1st June, 1st August, 1st July, 1st November. Correct option is 1st July. In which of the years martial law was enforced in Lahore? 6th May 1953, 6th August 1953, 6th November 1953, 6th March 1953. Correct option is 6th March 1953. General sales tax under the Constitution of 1973 is a provincial subject, federal subject, district subject. None of them. Correct option is federal subject. Next, on which of the following dates Qadianis were declared non-Muslim? 7th September 1974, 7th October 1974, 7th November 1974, 7th December 1974. Correct option is 7th September 1974. Which province has the highest literacy rate? KPK, Punjab, Balochistan, Sindh. Correct option is Sindh. Pakistan domestic saving rate of GNP is 13%, 15%, 11%, 12, 18%. Correct option is 11%. Which is the single largest component of GDP of Pakistan? Is agriculture 25%, agriculture 30%, agriculture 35%, agriculture 28%. Correct option is agriculture 25%. What is the share of wheat crop in total cultivated area of Pakistan? 32%, 37%, 36%, 39%. Correct option is 37%. In which of the following years Nobel Prize holder famous Pakistani scientist Dr. Abdul Salam died? 1994, 1995, 1996, 1997. Correct option is 1996. The aid to Pakistan consortium has now renamed as Pakistan Promotion Forum, Pakistan Friends Forum, Pakistan Trade Forum, Pakistan Development Forum. Pakistan Development Forum. United Nations World Food Programme commenced its operation in Pakistan during 1968, 1972, 1969, 1973. Correct option is 1968. The government of Pakistan has given certain incentives to farmers for growing black tea on experimental basis at Gwadar, Gilgit-Baltistan, Abbottabad, Mansehra. Correct option is Mansehra. In which of the following years Quaid-e-Azam became of the member of Legislative Council from Bombay? 1907, 1908, 1909, 1910. Correct option is 1909. The most populated area of Pakistan is Balochistan, Sindh, FATA, ICT. Correct option is ICT. It is stand for Islamabad Capital Territory. In which of the following years 17th Amendment was passed? 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Correct option is 2003. The study of Pakistan of population. The study of science of population is called bibliography, biography, demography, none of them. Correct option is demography. The population growth rate in Pakistan is 4.2%, 1.57%, 2.52%, 2.11%. Correct option is 1.5%. In which of the following years first general election under the LFO were held? 1970, 1971, 1972, 1973. Correct option is 1970. In the total population of Pakistan, the most population in 1 square kilometer area is in Multan, Islamabad, Peshawar, Karachi. Correct option is Islamabad. The minimum number of persons populated in one square kilometer of area are in Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan. None of them. Correct option is Balochistan. Hydropower station of Wapda are approximately generating dash electricity. 4198 MW 40507 MW megawatt 3850 MW 4250 MW. Correct option is 4250 MW. Identify the ex-speaker and president of Pakistan. Chaudhry Fazal Ilahi, Malik Miraj, Khalid Muhammad Mian, Somro. None of them. Correct option is Chaudhry Fazal Ilahi. In which division of Punjab the ratio of males and female is equal? Karachi, Peshawar, Lahore, Rawalpindi. Correct option is Rawalpindi. In which of the following years Aga Khan Medical University, Karachi was established? 1981, 1982, 1983, 1984. Correct option is 1983. In which division of Punjab the ratio of females in population is 10% more than males? Karachi, Peshawar, Lahore, Rawalpindi. Correct option is Lahore. How long is the Islamabad Peshawar motorway? 102 km, 154 km, 142 km, 160 km. Correct option is 154 km. Which division of Punjab produces maximum wheat crop? Sargodha division, Sahiwal division, Sheikhpura division, Multan division. Correct option is Multan division. The share of cotton crop in the total crop cultivated area of Punjab is approximately 16%, 14%, 18%, 13%. Correct option is 16%. Which division of the Punjab produces maximum sugar cane crop? Karachi, Faisalabad, Islamabad, Multan. Correct option is Faisalabad. Which city of Punjab has the lowest population density? Bahawalnagar, Rajanpur, Gujranwala, Bahawalpur. Correct option is Rajanpur. Per capita income is average income of the people of a country during a year, average income of the people of a country during 6 months, during 4th month, during 1 month. Correct option is average income of the people of a country during a year. Economic development means increase in energy resources of the country, increase in human resources of the country, increase in mineral resources of the country. None of them. Correct option is increase in mineral resources of the country. What percentage of GDP is spent on agriculture research in Pakistan? 1.9%, 1.7%, 2.3%, 1.5%. Correct option is 1.5%. 11 July every year is being celebrated under United Nations as World Population Day since 1987, 1985, 1988, 1980. Correct option is 1987. Inflation may be defined as a temporary increase in the prices of currency, a temporary increase in the prices of several goods. A and B, none of them. Correct option is A and B. Identify the first Pakistani who reached the South Pole. Mr. Taslim Aslam, Nahida Mehboob Ilahi, Nimra Salim, Nazir Sabir. Correct option is Nimra Salim. Identify the first Pakistani who climbed Mount Everest. Mr. Taslim Aslam, Nahida Mehboob Ilahi, Nimra Salim, Nazir Sabir. Correct option is Nazir Sabir. Sale tax is ultimately paid by the seller. The objectives A and B, the customer. Correct option is the customer. The Pakistan's biggest and most powerful radio station is Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, Multan. Correct option is Islamabad. Kohat Tunnel project was completed with the financial aid of Pakistan, Japan, India, China. Correct option is China. Makran Coastal Highway project is being completed with the assistance of China. Its length is 634 km. India, Japan, none of them. Correct option is China. Its length is 634 km. Identify the first Pakistani woman who has spokesperson of Foreign Ministry. Mrs. Taslim Aslam, Nahida Mehboob Ilahi, Nimra Salim, Nazir Sabir. Correct option is Mrs. Taslim Aslam. Which of the following gemstones are found in Pakistan? Lapis, lazuli, topaz, ruby. All of them. Correct option is all of them. One of the following date Constitutional Assembly was dissolved after completion of its term in 2007. 5th November, 15th November, 15th September, 15th October, 15th December. Correct option is 15th November. Who was the first caretaker president of Pakistan? Malik Miraj Khalid, Chaudhry Shujat Hussain, Muhammad Mia Somro, Wasim Sajid. Correct option is Wasim Sajid. Canberra is famous for telephone industry, wood industry, aircraft industry, chemical industry. Correct option is aircraft industry. After independence, first industrial unit inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam was Walika Textiles Mills, Habib Textile Mills, Wali Textiles Mills. None of them. Correct option is Walika Textile Mills. Which is the smallest river of the Punjab? Jhelum, Ravi, Chenab, Beas. Correct option is Ravi. Name the highest award of bravery in the police service of Pakistan. Pakistan Police Medal, Pakistan Police Gold Medal, Quaid-e-Azam Police Medal. None of them. Correct option is Quaid-e-Azam Police Medal. National Police Academy is located in Lahore, Sheikhpura, Karachi, Sihala, Islamabad. Correct option is Sihala, Islamabad. SHO in police department is the abbreviation of Sub House Officer, Senior House Officer, Station House Officer, Second House Officer. Correct option is Station House Officer. FIR is an abbreviation of Formal Investigation Report, First Information Report, Foreign Investigation Report. None of them. Correct option is Foreign First Information Report. Aerospace University of Pakistan is located in Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar. Correct option is Islamabad. DPO is the abbreviation of Deputy Police Officer, District Police Officer, Direct Police Officer. None of them. Correct option is District Police Officer. FIA stands for Federal Information Agency, First Class Investigation Agency, Federal Investigation Agency. None of them. Correct option is Federal Investigation Agency. A second-class magistrate can award the punishment of the imprisonment for a term not exceeding 4 years, 1 year, 3 years, 2 years. Correct option is 1 year. The art of writing in code words or cipher is called cryptography, biography, bibliography, autography. Correct option is cryptography. Umara Court is a district of Karachi Division, Larkana Division, Hyderabad Division, Mirpur Khas Division. Correct option is Mirpur Khas Division. Department of Police was introduced in Islam by Khalifa Caliph Hazrat Usman Razi Allah Ta'ala, Caliph Hazrat Ali Razi Allah Ta'ala, Caliph Hazrat Umar Razi Allah Ta'ala, none of them. Correct option is Caliph Hazrat Umar Razi Allah Ta'ala anha. The number of jails for prisoners in Pakistan is 32, 34, 38, 36. Correct option is 34. PPC stands for Pakistan Penal Code, Pakistan Penal Code, Punjab Penal Code, Provincial Penal Code, none of them. Correct option is Pakistan Penal Code. Ravi, Jahlam, Neelam and Poonch are identification of Punjab, Gilgit Baltistan, KPK, AJK, Azad Jammu Kashmir. Correct option is Azad Jammu Kashmir. Identify the first woman ambassador of Pakistan. Miss Tasleem Aslam, Nahida Mehboob Ilahi, Nimra Salim, Begum Rana Liaquat Ali. Correct option is Begum Rana Liaquat Ali. Next, identify the amount of the first budget of Pakistan which was presented in 1948. 87, 80, A option B, option C, option D. Option B is correct. इसमें क्या है 89,